about to show you one of the most broken ways to make money online right now. This isn't a joke. When you follow the step in this video, you'll be able to absolutely bulldoze the YouTube algorithm and start printing money faster. Take a look at these numbers. Insane, right? You're probably thinking that's gonna be Mr. Beast or some mega channel, but no. The gold mine stats come from something more sneaker, children's content. Yep, kids videos. The stuff my own kids have probably looked 500 times while I was trying to finish a cup of coffee in peace. And guess what? These videos have made millions for the channel behind them, and here is the kicker. I found a juicy little loophole that lets you make videos just like this. That means you can start racking up thousands of views and dollars a day. And the best part, it's powered by AI magic that does most of the work for you. Yes, and it is totally free. And also, towards the end of this video, I will be showing you how much you can actually make from this video like this. You don't want to miss that. So welcome to Abby Growth Guide, your go-to channel where I break down powerful digital skills and step-by-step AI tutorial to help you make money online and grow your business effortlessly from the comfort of your home. So don't just watch, hit that like button, drop a comment, and most importantly, subscribe to Abby Growth Guide so you never miss out on valuable content that could change your financial future. So let's go. We are going to hack one of the YouTube most underappreciated features. It is predictive search algorithm. Sound fancy, right? But it is super simple. Just go to YouTube search bar and type toddler song about. Boom! YouTube spill the beans and show us exactly what people are searching for. Toddler song about birds, rain, dinosaur, body part, and whatever. The list goes on. It's like YouTube handling us a treasure map. And here is where it gets cool. Type in toddler songs about A, B, C. So let's stop at B. The bird comes first. So that's giving us a signal that we are going to be focusing on toddler songs about birds. Now, let's check the top video that show up. Guess what? None of them have that exact phrase in the title. That's a golden opportunity achiever. If you upload a video with the title Toddler Songs About Birds, YouTube is going to love you. You will rank high with almost no competition. So yeah, we're about to make a banger of a toddler cartoon about birds, and we are going to do it step by step. Step 1, we want to make the song. So we are heading over to suno.com, a free AI tool that will whip up an entire song for you. So log in with your Gmail account, then just type in a little description like fun toddler song about birds, click create, and voila. The AI cooks up a few song options and also writes the lyrics. It has generated 2 powerful songs. You're going to love this. Just listen and pick your favorite and download. You can simply copy the lyrics to generate images for each scene. These songs are absolute hits. Let's get to the second part, create the cartoon. So next up, we are using Leonardo.ai. This is another brilliant and free tool to generate the cartoon images. Now, pay attention here, because we are about to use some super specific prompts to make sure the image match the lyrics of our song. So check your lyric of your song. You want to write this prompt. Create a toddler cartoon scene, a kid sleeping in bed in his cozy room with wooden wall. Or you can literally open ChatGPT to write image prompt using the song lyrics. ChatGPT will give you the image prompt. So let's head back to Leonardo. This is our prompt here. So let's adjust the feature. So you need to come here, concept art here, then pick the style. You want to pick game concept 3D cartoon style. Then pick the image dimension 16 by 9 if you are creating for YouTube long video. Then click generate. Leonardo has generated 4 beautiful images for us. Then pick your choice and download it. Want to generate another image of red bird and blue bird on a tree and click generate according to the lyrics. Boom! Leonardo has generated beautiful images of red and blue birds on the tree. So download it into your device. So we want to repeat for the rest of the songs, and just like that, we've got all our cartoon scenes, no drawing required. So let's get to the next step. Step 3 says, Step 3, animate your cartoon. So let's bring this image to life using Halo AI, a powerful and completely free tool that turns your imagination into stunning visual in seconds. Halo AI makes it effortless to generate high-quality images with zero design skills. Don't just dream it, Halo AI hits. Log in to Halo AI, log in with your Gmail, so it opens this way. So click on create video, then choose image to video. So we need to upload your image and tell it what you want to happen in each scene. So it's like directing your own Pixar movie without needing a film degree. So you want to write a child waking up yawning. So camera pan right. The beauty of this tool is you can choose your camera movement here and click create. How cool is this? This looks so amazing. So download it. Also, you want to repeat the process for the second image, the blue and red birds. So let's tell it what to do. A red bird and blue bird smiling, flapping their wings mid-air with motion lines, chirping joyfully. And click generate. Come on, this is super cool. Check the movement. This is amazing. Next, let's edit it all together. Now it's time to stick everything into Masterpiece using CapCut. Yes, it is also free. So load up your music and animated clip, toss them into the timeline, do a little rearranging, and bam, we've got ourselves a full-blown toddler cartoon. Let's preview that beauty.
Early in the morning, the sun's in the sky. Little birds are chirping, singing oh so high. Wake up, sleepyhead, it's a brand new day. Red bird, blue bird, come out and play. Tweet, tweet.
That's actually kind of adorable. I'll watch that with my kid. Don't judge me. So the next thing you want to do, upload and dominate the algorithm. Now head over to your YouTube channel, upload the video and title it exactly with your keywords, toddler songs about birds. Copy that same keyword into your video description. YouTube will now know to show your video when people search for it. And since literally no one else is targeting that phrase, you will rise to the top like a well-fed dog. So how much can you make? Now let's talk money. Because I know that is what you are wondering. You may have heard that video marked for kids don't earn as much as revenue. And yeah, that is partly true. The CPM cost by 1,000 views can be lower than other niches. For example, one creator, Joel, shared that his kids' channel got $929 from 1 million views, with CPM of $2.42, and RPM, that is the one you actually take home, of around 93 cents per 1,000 views. But don't click away just yet. Here is the real secret. Kids watch this video over and over again. They don't get tired of a fun song or silly story. In fact, one child might watch the same cartoon 8 to 10, even 20 times. That repeat watch time is gold for your channel. And guess what? Even small creators can get explosive views in this niche. With the right content, catchy titles, and a bit of AI power magic, you don't need a huge channel to see real results. The RPM might be low, but the volume of views can more than make up for it. Millions of views every month, that is still thousands of dollars in the bank. Sure, some might say that's a lot of work for low RPM, but here is the thing. YouTube is literally paying you to build a brand, grow an audience, and market your own products, services, or even affiliate link for free. Try getting that deals elsewhere. Focus on monetizing it beyond ad revenue. 1. Sell your own digital products like coloring books, printables, or mini storybooks. 2. Offer membership or exclusive content to parents. 3. Add affiliate link for kids, toys, books, or learning tools. And 4. License your videos to educational platform or mobile apps. Okay, yes, it takes effort, but if you enjoy storytelling, love creativity, or just want to try something new, this can be both profitable and fulfilling. Whether it is for passion, income, or both, kids content is a wide open playground. If this inspires you even a little, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Abby Growth Guide. I've got way more AI-powered money-making strategies coming your way, and I would love for you to be part of this journey. So yeah, this isn't a cute side project. This could be a serious income stream. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.